having a good time. This is probably the best conference. I usually go to learning conferences, but this one pretty much, this being specific to a tool that I'm passionate about, it's been very valuable. Very valuable.
I think what it's really done is it's created a trust between us and our customers, that they have that trust that the product team is going to continue to deliver value time after time after time.
We really utilize Pendo to help speak that message of ease of use and get them the training and the information they need to get their job done.
I really enjoyed the karaoke. I couldn't stay long because I was really, really tired throughout the day, but there are some really good singers. That was very surprising.
Hanging out with the Pendo staff is even crazier. Like, they all love working here, you can tell it, and it's fun to just put people's faces to a name now. So.
It was a really good time, and I really hope I come back next year, and we actually hope we bring our product manager as well. He would pick up a lot from here.